Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV, the motorcycle channel, the car and truck channel, the kid channel, the dog channel. But hey, I am now going to put another battery tender on another motorcycle. I just did my Honda Goldwing, if you watch my channel. And here we are over at the Honda CB650R 2023 model. And I don't even know where the battery is. I'm kind of guessing it's under the seat. So we're going to take your ignition key out of your ignition, and you just turn this here, and then this seat just pulls up. So you can see this seat just popped off the back here. Got your little manual back here. And down here, I think that's the battery. I'm going to find out, take these Allen head screws off, and let's see what's underneath this seat. All right, so it's a 5mm Allen head. I just took those off. And let's see if I'm right or wrong. Voila. There it is. Awesome. Very simple. And now I have so many battery tenders and so many connections. I don't know if I have any more little pigtails to hook onto my my bike. I might be out. Yikes. Wow. Amazing. And I found one more battery tender. And you know, are these the lithium batteries? I don't think they are. Maybe it is. I don't know. But I have a lithium charging capability right there. So I can use that if I want. So it doesn't hurt because it can be either or. So here we are. 10mm socket. Move your negative first, then your positive. Alright, so I do the positive connection first. I don't put the negative on until last. So just unloosen that screw, then put your positive link on, and then do your negative. Okay, got the positive on, negative on, screw them back down, take your 10mm socket, make sure you really tighten these things down. If you don't, I'm going to tell you what, I've had my experience very young when the motorcycle dealer didn't tighten down my battery terminals, and I was on a road, just about got run over my motorcycle when I was like 18 years old because the battery terminals came loose and my bike stalled, and a big RV behind me just about ran me over. Okay, so I got a little creative. I had to pop this panel off here to get this right here so it looks a little cleaner on the bike, and it's not going to be coming out and laying up here. So you have to take this screw out, just a little Allen screw right here, and this panel just pulls out, and it's no big deal. Just go right back in. Okay, on the home stretch, just make sure your wires are all clear and they're not going to be rubbing against anything here to make them possibly have a problem, if you know what I mean. Maybe bend them down a little bit, and then just put your seat back on. It just slips right back in. Nothing that radical. And put your Allen screws back in, and you're making progress. Okay, the seat is on. Let's slip this one back in. Really simple. Just notches back in and slam it in, and bing bam done. Take the key out. Let me get my battery charger hooked up, and let's see if it works. Great. It all works. Got relocated my charger over there, and it's showing that it's charging right now. You can see I got a lot of stuff here, don't I? It's the motorcycle shop, that's for sure. So anybody owns a 2023 Honda CB650R, I hope this video helped you figure out how to put your battery tender on your motorcycle, because it's so important to have battery tenders on your motorcycles. It saves the battery. Watching Ice Age TV. Have a great evening, and stay tuned for more how-tos and more adventures. God bless, stay safe.